Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to change the background with object in Photoshop. Open your image, go to your layer, background, press Ctrl J to duplicate this layer. After that, go to select, then subject, then make it a mask. After that, create a rectangle. Let it white. Go to move rectangle layer down to your mask, then press the right click on your mouse on the rectangle, then convert to smart object. After that, you have this icon. Double click on it. It will open. Then press Ctrl O. Open your background. Press O. Open. Then move it to your object, smart object layer, and scale it. Okay. After that, press Ctrl S to save it, and it will appear here. Then let's make it multiply. Also, you can adjustment like this curve. Okay, let's make it like this, and here it is.